Let's take a look at Jim's IT server room 3 years ago. Jim's IT applications were deployed on physical servers and storage. Jim's company decided to virtualize these apps. Virtualization is great. Except, for that his current backup and replication technologies he used are causing complex IT management and data recovery issues. We know, it's not like a walk in a park to solve these recovery issues. Introducing using a revolutionary service, using a hypervisor-based replication technology that replicates your data from on-premise to the cloud without being dependent on your storage arrays. Cloudvela is disaster recovery as a service, powered by Zerto, which offers enterprise-class service continuous replication, and it's completely VM-aware. Let us take a look at the benefits. First, replicate only what you need when you need it. Now you can group all the virtual machines of an application together and replicate them consistently, recovering the whole application instantly. Second, our DRaaS service allows you to replicate from on-premise to the cloud. Companies need to rethink their IT infrastructure and deploy reliable solutions that utilize industry-leading DR technologies so you can protect and recover applications, and not just data. Contact us today to find out more about our solution.